How's it going guys, Phil here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove latex paint from a polyurethane surface. As you can see, we've recently repainted the trim around this door, but unfortunately it wasn't 100% dry before the door was closed, so there's a bit of paint on the door which has a glossy polyurethane coating on it, and we want to remove it without damaging the finish on the door. Thankfully, this is pretty easy by using denatured alcohol, which can be found in most hardware stores in the painting aisle. You'll also need a small glass container, a soft cloth, or optionally cotton swabs or Q-tips, depending on how much paint you need to remove. We'll pour just a little of the alcohol into our glass vessel, just as much as needed, as you won't be able to put it back in the container afterward. This is about a tablespoon's worth, which should be plenty for the small amount of paint on our door. Then just use your cotton swab or cloth to dab the alcohol directly onto the paint you want to remove. If using a cloth, you may want to wear gloves to avoid getting the alcohol on your skin, which can have a drying effect. Let the alcohol sit on the paint for 1 to 2 minutes to allow it to soak in and soften the paint. Then use a dry part of the cloth and rub the paint firmly, and it should start to come off easily. If the paint is thick, you may need to do several applications of the alcohol to soften the paint enough to remove it from the surface. But as you can see, the alcohol doesn't react or affect the polyurethane, so the finish on your wood should remain intact. If you're not sure if your glossy finish is polyurethane or some other type of stain or varnish, it's recommended to do a small patch test somewhere hidden, if possible, to ensure that the finish won't be damaged. I hope you enjoyed this quick fix-it tip. You can ask me any questions in the comments. I'll put a link to the products I used in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join me next time.